And how much do I love Darn Tough socks? Well, since I bought one, I also then just started buying some more. And oh wait, how many pairs do I already have in my drawer? Oh yes, let me count the ways that I love Darn Tough socks. They have been the one sock that I buy if I ever need to buy new ones for the last 13 years. And because they have the lifetime warranty on them, I only need to buy one pair, and then when it wears out, I send it back and I can get another pair of the exact same ones. Or I can also get a new style. I'm like, yeah, I'm over that style. Let me get a new style. The only thing you have to do when you mail it back is you just pay for shipping and handling, which is just whatever your local post office charges. But these socks are fantastic. I love them, and I know you're gonna love Darn Tough socks too. I just cannot get enough of them, as you can see.